In today's video, I'm going to use a small sink strainer to pour out my paints. I have not done one of these in quite a long time, and I was going through my supplies and decided to grab one and try this out again. I have purple, a light turquoise, and a copper mixed up. I have used this color palette in the past, but again, it's been a very long time. And so I wanted to try it out again and see what I could come up with. If you want to see a different sink strainer pour that I did, you could check out video 222. I did that one quite a long time ago, but it was really fun to test this out, and I really liked the pattern that it created, so I wanted to do it again with these colors. But I'm just going to start by putting a little bit of my purple down before I start pouring through my sink strainer. All three of my colors are mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water, and I'm keeping them a little bit thicker than normal so that they don't blend together too much and hold the shape that is created and the design that is created from pouring through the sink strainer. So I was originally going to do just one large pour in the middle, and then I decided to do two, so I'm going to be doing one at each corner. After tilting, I think next time I'll just try one in the middle and see how that turns out. But this was fun to test out, but just didn't have that full final design that I was really looking for. Once I had all of my paint poured for the first one, I just did the same style in the other corner. I poured some of that purple paint down to help the rest of the colors move while I'm tilting, and then just started pouring the colors through the sink strainer. And I just alternated each of my colors, trying to get a nice blend of all three of the turquoise, purple, and copper. And as you can see, it creates a really interesting design going through the strainer. So once I had all of my colors poured, I just started gently tilting out my designs. And the second pour that I did, I liked a lot better than the first one. So I tilted a lot of the first one off. But I think that second pour would have looked much better if it had been in the middle of my canvas and I was able to just stretch that one pour out. So the next time I try this, I'll just probably do one large sink strainer pour in the middle and then tilt it out to see what kind of style and design I can create. So let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to do a technique that I haven't really done in a while, and I'm going to try and do some others that I haven't done. Just for something different, mix it up a little bit. But let me know if you'd like to see some other colors in this style, and I'll definitely try it out. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for the notifications. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.